everyone. It is a very exciting vlog, and I'm pretty sure I say that every time, but this is the centreparcs vlog. The centreparcs vlog. 2026. I'm actually filming this after we've been, but I can say that this was a very, very, very fun little holiday, I guess. I want to do it all over again. I didn't want to leave. I love centreparcs. It is just so comforting being in the forest, and so of course I bring you all along because I want to have these memories to look back on, because many years ago, when I was like tiny little Holly, I vlogged it and I love being able to have those memories to look back on, because it's like, yes, you remember in your head, but like it's so nice to be able to watch them again. So I hope you enjoy the video. I feel that's all I have to say, but thank you. I hope you enjoy. But yeah, on to the video. This is Monday morning, like 9 AM, 9:30, 10 o'clock AM. Enjoy the video. This is like 10 AM Monday morning. Enjoy.
Oh, look at the boat coming. Whoa, boat! That was good time.
That's me.
Yeah, but it was there if I didn't tell you. It was, there was a boat. There was a boat just then, but I'm not allowed to tell you instantly.
Okay,
This is about 80 quid. So, yeah. No, says they're all leaving.
Yeah, they will, to be fair. Stupid van was going across at the same time. Oh wow.
Oh, get out of here.
Yeah.
Like 2 stretches. That's it. And I'm doing them pretty much every night.
Room tour time.
Bubbles. Yeah.
Okay. Their bedroom is not mine, but they got an ensuite, which is not fair. And then table. Say hello.
Hello.
The bathroom. Which was there when we came. My bedroom. This is my one. My view. And his bedroom. That's my room tour. Oh, and outside. Outside. Oh my god, there's a squirrel. Hello. Hello. What?
You know that boat we saw?
You'll get some nuts.
Yeah.
Richard Whitehead.
We'll get you some stuff, it's okay.
Didn't even realise it.
In the bedroom, the windows have got
I just use my phone, I don't need to bring it.
We might be able to try that.
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
Just terrified.
like 7:30, I want to say. I don't know. I actually haven't looked at my watch, I'm just assuming. But I am on a walk, as you can see. And I have done 2.6. There was a man who walked past me and I got too shy to film. So, this is so pretty. Like, it's so hilly. It's actually insane. Like, I'll just turn my camera around. I just walked up that hill and it was 13% incline down, obviously. But that's quite steep. And anyway, this is so pretty and I'm having such a good time. And I'm just like listening to music and, you know, doing my hot girl walk. And I'm having so much fun. So I'm literally just straight up wandering. I do not know where I'm going. I'm so lost. Oh wait, I'm walking in the wrong bit. Okay, it's fine. I'm so lost. Like, this place is massive. It's really hard to tell where you're going. Everything looks the same. So yeah. It's freezing as well, by the way. I've seen about 10 people in the whole park. I've seen about 10 people. But yeah, I'm having a time. I'm about to go and walk past the swimming place, the swimming subtropical swim paradise, I think it's called, which we're going to later, which obviously won't be able to film because I don't have GoPro or anything with me, but in spirit, you just have to imagine it. And I can't wait. I'm so excited. And what else was I going to say? I don't remember. I'm going to get Starbucks there later, so I'm going to have to walk back down here, which is such a long walk, but it's okay. It's okay. But I'm going to go home now, have my breakfast, and I'm just like trying to get some of my studying done because I have so, like, I don't have so much to do, but I had like deadlines I set for myself that I was like genuinely so busy I had no time to actually do the stuff. So now I am literally just trying to complete my work because I hate not getting those deadlines because I feel like so behind. But anyway, I'm waffling and I'm gonna keep walking. Wait, I'm actually gonna show you the building. It's actually so cool. Here it is, and you can see the rapids as well. Ta-da! Here she is. Actually so cool. Such a cool place. I actually love centreparcs so much. It's so fun. Wait, can I walk down here? Should I walk down here? I think I should. Let's walk down here. So, hang on, I'll show you. So, oh wait, there's the rapids. I don't know if they actually... Oh wait, that's so weird. So they stop the water. I never knew that. Oh, I'm gonna ducks. Oh my gosh, you're actually joking. They're so cute. Wait, you can't really see them, but there's ducks. Oh, they're so cute. What? Wait. There you go, you can see them better now. But yeah, I'm having such a fun time. This is like the best time to go on a walk because I've seen I've combined like 11 people now, which is just perfect because I can film without being scared. I wish everything was open a bit earlier though, because like I just walked past Starbucks and I guaranteed could have got some, but
if you dance, I'll dance, and if you don't, I'll dance anyway. Give peace
currently going to Starbucks. It is about 8:30 now, and I've got my laptop with me, and I'm gonna just go and sit in Starbucks because I've got like a little bit of work to do, and I want to get it done by today. So I'm gonna try and get it done. Hello everyone, it's 6:33 and I am about to leave to go to the spa. I'm actually so excited because I've never been to the spa before.
I weren't going to hit it, Ollie, it was miles away.
Oh, hello. It is actually Thursday today, and wait, it is Thursday today, and it is the last full day, and I'm actually so sad about it because I've had such an incredible time, and I'm actually now going to go and do pottery painting, which I love so much. I love pottery painting, so I actually cannot wait for this. I think I have like a slight idea what I want to do. I think I want to do like a bowl, like a heart bowl. That's the plan, because as we know, I'm going to uni in September, so I need some bowls. I haven't actually bought any yet, so I thought what a fun way I could make some, or make one, and then I would have one. So that is what I'm going to do. It is such a nice day. It's meant to be 19 degrees today, so very sunny, and I don't know if you can see the sun behind me, but it is blue skies. It's actually so gorgeous. So I'm very excited. We're going swimming today as well, and I think we're either going to play like crazy golf, or I think we're going to play tennis. So yeah, very exciting day, and I think I will be in pottery painting for a good couple of hours. So yeah, I'm very excited. I've just been feeding the squirrels for the past like 15 minutes, and they kept like coming to the door, and it was so cute. I will catch you up when I am at pottery painting.
Big worm. Ain't got that problem anymore because you're not in a buggy. You can... Just check. You want to go over that grass verge in the middle, if you can. Circle's fine, I think, anywhere. That's not a bad pace, I don't think. Hit the wood, hit the wood. Oh! Good shot, Ollie. No, it's just got to go over that green little... Oh, a bit tentative, no? Oh, does it get that way? I mean, that might be alright,
Where did it go?
Good shot.
Oh.
Together in the same place.
Do you feel get full?
No, I'll give myself a 5 at the top.
Right.
We've got 3, yeah.
Am I in it?
Yeah. Oh yeah? Okay.
Oh wow.
Coming up. Not that hard. Not very hard at all. It's the trickle down there. No, I think that's actually fine.
Home sweet home. Oh.
Try and hit the ground as you do it, Jack.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Well, I think it was down the path then. There, it's just rubber. Yeah, I hit it there, I think. Let's go. Might need to go.
Oh! Oh my gosh, ma'am! How have you done that?
Look down the road. What is it? Oh! Shoot the crown.
2, 3.
There's a lot of cheating going on there.
Oh, I had to move. You had to move mine.
Yeah, whatever.
Right.
Maybe a little gentler. Gentler. Gentle touch.
Yes. Hold on, Ollie.
No one's fault.
Bit more anger.
Yay!
Yay! Hello everyone. It's about 12 o'clock. I don't actually know. No, 1:35. And we're going back to go and have lunch, and then we're going swimming at 4. So that'll be fun. So yeah.
Hello everybody, I am home now. This is like at least a week, no it's not actually a week later, it's about Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4 days later. 4 days post centreparcs, and I want to be back in the forest. I miss it and I love it, and I want to be in a forest. I don't want to have neighbours, and I want to be living with nature. Living with the squirrels. And this is the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed. It's very chaotic, very like not my usual style of video, but I really am enjoying it, so I just kind of rolled with it, and I hope you liked it. I kind of think this is like more for my memories than actually putting out a YouTube video, because as I said in the beginning, I just want to like have this memory to look back on. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end, I want to be back. But now I have a really exciting 36 days from today, 36 days until I fly to America. So very exciting, and I cannot wait. And I will see you then. Bye bye. Bye.